Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamza Anwar and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. In this part, we are going to do the part 3 of Unit 12, The Old Man and His Grandson, from the book English Language for Class 9, Balochistan Textbook Board, Quetta. So let's start. The first word is shook. It means laras gaya, scolded, ڈانٹا. sigh, بھرنا, cheap, سستا. One day his hands shook so much that he could not even hold his plate. ایک دن اس کے ہاتھ اتنے ہل گئے کہ وہ اپنی پلیٹ کو بھی نہیں تھام سکا. It crashed on the floor and broke into many pieces. یہ فرش پر گر کے ٹکڑوں میں ٹوٹ گیا. The daughter-in-law scolded him. بہو نے اسے ڈانٹا. He sighed but said nothing. اس نے بھری لیکن کچھ نہ بولا. Then the daughter-in-law bought him a cheap wooden bowl. پھر بہو نے اسے ایک سستا لکڑی کا پیالہ خریدا. Now he had to eat from that. اب اسے اس میں سے کھانا تھا. Some weeks later, just before dinner, the grandson was sitting on the floor. کچھ ہفتوں بعد رات کے کھانے سے ٹھیک پہلے پوتا فرش پر بیٹھا تھا. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notification. And also like the Facebook page Computer Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.